No, don't be over. I'm about to be signing the papers to sell the house. It's so fucking hot here. The fucking receiver, the fucking TV, and the fucking computer just radiates heat.
Real connections. That's better. I think when you've been burned by love, it's hard to
Soda water. What? Water. Carbonated soda water. It's like cool enough outside to where I got the AC. It's been off since last night. Got all the windows open and shit. Fuck work. Oh. Donut high five? Donut high five? Yeah. Donut vision! Don't eat donuts. My mom bought them or whatnot. I gotta wash my face. And they expire in like 2 days, so that's like, I don't even eat them. So the shoving and the spitting of the donuts, I watched that like 5 times. I thought that was funny. I did. I'm gonna do it again. I need to turn up the music. Meow. Meow.
No, it's purple.
Oh, it's pink.
No, it's purple.
Pinky Rich.
No.
So Brighton, if he wants another donut, he has to dance for it. And dance with the donut. So, here we go. 1 second. I hung my lavender in front of my fans, in front of the window, and my room smells amazing. Yeah, what? We got some ice up on here for making and cooling down all the steam. So this is still hotter than this, but then this keeps all the steam in there so we're not losing. Almost there. Almost there. Just gotta wait for the tub to fill up. Pour that in. I'm gonna pour some out to drink.
Flowers.
Right? The aroma. Oh my goodness. Undescribed.